Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix OBS not capturing CSGO. So for those of you who don't know, CSGO had some new updates, and in those new updates, they added a new feature which is called the trusted mode. And that trusted mode allows the game CSGO to run without interfering with any other programs. The result of that being that you will not be matched up against hackers, or you will not be able to use hacks if you want to do that. And that's a good thing, I think. But what that doesn't let programs like OBS, Streamlabs OBS capture the game. So I'm going to show you how to change that trusted mode into the untrusted mode. I mean the normal game. And for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to enter up in CSGO right now. I'm in CSGO right now, and as you can see, Streamlabs OBS doesn't capture the game. What I'm going to do is I'm going to enter up on Steam, and on Steam, right click on CSGO, then go to properties, and then go to set launch options, put here a line, and then type untrusted. Type in here untrusted and then click on OK and then close. Then play CSGO and you're gonna see that now Streamlabs OBS will detect the game and will allow us to record or live stream the game as we did before these updates that changed the thing. And as you can see now, Streamlabs OBS is capturing the game CSGO, and we can easily go and search up for a game, and as you can see, the game is easily captured by Streamlabs. So if this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads like this one. Until next time, have a nice day.